Good day, guys. Today we are fixing overheating issues with our laptop. Basically, most laptops, to fix their overheating problems, you have to go through the same processes. You start by opening the laptop. You have to tear it down completely before we can fix the problem. So I'll start right away. Most laptops, before we start, you have to remove the battery first. So I'm doing that right now. After which you can remove all the other components one by one. Some motherboard here seems a bit dusty now. I know that that's not okay. Now let's remove our cooling fan first. So
To fix the overheating problem of a laptop, usually there are two things you have to take into consideration. First of all, we have to make sure there's no dust uh, blocking the free flow of air from the cooling fan to the heatsink of the processor. And it's quite visible in our laptop here that there's a lot of dust blocking the free flow of air from our cooling fan to the heatsink of the processor. So we have to make sure we clean all the dust away, after which we'll proceed to removing the heatsink from our processor. After removing the heatsink from the processor, we can now be able to apply the thermal compound on the thermal compound actually helps prevent the processor from overheating. So usually when a laptop overheats, there are two things involved. It's either the thermal compound is ineffective or there's too much dust blocking the free flow of air from the cooling fan and the heatsink. We'll proceed to cleaning the fan first, and afterwards we'll remove our heatsink and apply the thermal compound.
So after cleaning out all the dirt on the cooling fan and the heatsink, we'll proceed to removing the heatsink from the processor. To remove the heatsink, usually uh, there's a number on the heatsink starting from 1, 2, 3, then 4, 5 and onwards. On our case, we have only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you start from the fifth or the last number, unscrew it completely, the fourth one, the third one, second and first. In our case here, you can see our thermal compound on our processor and the graphics card. So what we'll do next is to clean the whole thermal compound on the processor and the graphics card. That's if you have any dedicated graphics card. Make sure you clean it well. In my case here, the thermal compound is not completely dry on the processor and the heatsink, but it might be very dry and tough to move on your computer, so you just have to be patient and clean it thoroughly. Now, our next step is to apply our thermal compound, but I'm using Arctic MX4 thermal compound, which I think performs well. Actually, it lasts long on the processor and it doesn't make the computer overheat. There are a lot of brands in the market, so you can easily get one at any of your tech shops or computer vendor. So you gently and evenly spread the thermal compound on the processor and on the video graphics.
After which we will place back our heatsink.
Now here, you should try not to be in a hurry. Make sure you make it sit. You make the heatsink sit evenly on the processor and on the display card. After it sits well, we start to screw our screws on the heatsink and then heatsink of the processor and the display card. We start this time around by the first number 1. Don't screw it too hard because we'll do that later after we've kept on all the screws. Followed by the second number and number 3. Four. Then 5. We'll repeat the process again, and this time I'll make sure we screw it tightly on all the ends. And there we go. Our computer should work fine without overheating for quite a long time, depending on the thermal compound you use. If you use a very good thermal compound, it will work for more than a year without overheating. That's if there's no dirt blocking the cooling fan and then the heatsink. So in most computers, you put the heatsink immediately after placing the we put the cooling fan immediately after placing the heatsink. But in my case here, I have to install the cooling fan separately on the casing of the computer before I place the motherboard. So repeat the process again till the end. The computer should work fine.